Months after the city of Wichita fell victim to a cyber attack, we finally have a more clear picture of whose information was stolen.
But if you are one of them, city leaders will not tell you. KSN's Zena Taher explains why and what the city is doing to prevent a breach from happening again. Zena.
Jeff, Julia, what we know after today is if you are being investigated for some sort of criminal activity or were a victim of a crime within Wichita, your information could be compromised. Or if you got a ticket or were pulled over, your personal information is at risk. City leaders know tens of thousands of cases were compromised. What they don't know is how far back those cases go and exactly how many people were involved in them. 77,000 cases ranging from traffic violations to criminal investigations, incident reports containing personal information, all compromised due to a cyber attack on City of Wichita systems in May.
A person that has been subject to a criminal incident or criminal investigation should assume that their data was contained in the database.
Potentially leaked information includes social security numbers,
the name of an individual, their date of birth, driver's license information if that was pertinent to the citation that was issued, possibly an email address.
Also credit card information, but only in investigations related to some sort of credit card theft. The city will not be notifying anyone whose data was compromised directly.
When the numbers rise to a certain threshold, as they did in this situation, the state law is very specific. It provides the opportunity for a blanket notification, which is exactly what the city did through its website to notify, because the numbers were unable to be identified.
City Attorney Jennifer Magana is saying they don't know how many people are affected. The recommendation from the city: keep an eye on your accounts, put limits on the amount that can be withdrawn from your bank.
We have access through library, neighborhood city halls. They can help people understand digital identities, how to protect them.
The city says they are taking steps to make sure something like this doesn't happen again.
We're utilizing people resources. We haven't hired any additional people resources. Looking at tools.
But you have staff designated,
yes,
for cybersecurity work alone.
Right. Yes.
And had before this.
And yeah.
They say the cybersecurity breach was caused by a flaw in their hardware that affected multiple systems using the same manufacturer for their hardware, so they strengthened their systems before going back online. In terms of just how much this cost the city, they're not sure. Officials say they have insurance that's covered the cost of consultants hired after the attack and other recovery efforts, but the city is having to pay their entire $250,000 deductible to the insurance company. Here for you, Zena Taher, KSN News 3.